Hey folks, got a Volkswagen key fob here with a battery that went bad, sitting for a long time. I'll set you up here on this table here, actually on top of my AAR Cuda hood. I'll show you how to change the battery. Alright, fairly simple. This is the one with the 3 buttons. Alright, I know there's one with a 4 button, but they're all pretty much similar. Maybe the battery is different. Okay, so to get to the battery, what we do is we're going to open it up, little switchblade button, like that. And right here in the back, this little square cover is going to come off. So you can do one of two things. You can just grab it right here and pull on it. See, it'll come out. Or you could use a little quarter. Yeah, hang on, let's put it back so I can show you. Get a little quarter. Da 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 da. Put that into the slot here. Give that a little twist. Cover comes right off. Alright. Now the battery is a 2025. CR2025. Alright, so a little square slot there. You can get a little tiny screwdriver. That fits right in there. You just pop the battery out. I'll put my thumb here to hold it because it will pop out. If you go like this, it's spring loaded. The thing will come flying out. So I'm just going to go in here. Support a little bit. See, it would have flew right out. And that's it. You get your CR2025. Get your new battery. Make sure everything is, there's no dirt in there. It's just going to go in here. See this one over here. In each corner here is a little spring. So you got this one holding it up, and you got these two pushing it that way. So you put it back in. Like that. You're going to push down on it. In. Like that. Okay. And the cover goes in here first and then snaps up over there. Put that in there, make sure it's equal. Snaps right in. Alright, that's it. We could test it. The car's over here. Alright, that's open. We're good to go. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, folks.